In this video, we're going to take a closer look at link text in ProPresenter. Link text allows you to display content from one source in multiple places, automatically keeping everything in sync. This means you can take a text from a slide, a timer, or even a system message and reuse it anywhere in your layout without needing to duplicate or manually update it. This is especially useful when building stage screens, alternate layouts, or custom display elements. Let's start with how link text works. To use link text, open a slide in the editor and add a new text box. With that text box selected, locate the link text option in the text settings. From here, you can choose what content you want this text box to follow. For example, you can link it to the current slide text, the next slide text, or other available text sources. Once you select what text is linked, the box will turn yellow with a reference to what is linked to it. Let's look at a practical example. If you link a text box to the current slide text, it will mirror whatever is in your main text box. This allows you to duplicate content across your layout without copying and pasting. From there, you can style or modify the link text independently. For example, you could change the size or position, adjust opacity or add a background styling, or apply text transformations. This gives you flexibility to present the same content in multiple ways on a single slide. You can also combine link text with other text tools. For example, you can use line transformations to modify how the text appears. You might remove line returns, display text differently, or adjust how it flows across the screens. You can also apply scrolling behavior, allowing link text to move across the screen at a controlled speed. This is useful for creating ticker-style text or background motion elements that stay synchronized with your slide content. Link text becomes even more powerful outside of the slides. You'll often use link text when building stage screen layouts. To access this, open the stage editor and select a text object. You'll see that many of these text fields are already using link text. For example, the current slide text, the next slide text, stage messages, timers, and the system clock. Each of these elements pulls from a different source, but all use the same link text system. This allows you to build fully dynamic layouts. For example, your stage screen can display the current slide for reference, the next slide for preparation, a countdown timer, and a custom message for your team, all updating automatically without manual input. To wrap this up, link text allows you to reuse and display content dynamically across your slides and layouts. Instead of duplicating text or manually updating multiple elements, you can link everything together and keep it in sync automatically. This makes it easier to build more flexible layouts, improve stage displays, and create more dynamic presentations. For more ProPresenter training, be sure to check out the other videos in this series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.